Are your apps not working because of the Quickfontcache DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. This DLL file is a specialized library used by image editing and design software to accelerate font rendering. It stores cached font data to prevent performance lag when the user selects or previews different typefaces. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. The Quickfontcache DLL is a key part of the FL Studio ImageLine runtime file set. A clean reinstall of the latest version of FL Studio ImageLine will repair any missing or corrupted components without affecting your other Windows settings. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Quickfontcache file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install the Quickfontcache DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing the Quickfontcache references. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored FL Studio ImageLine functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.